Hello guys, today we will make a car wheel balancing tutorial. Set up a balancing device. Remove the car wheel. Pay attention to the condition of the wheels. Attach the tire to the balancing tool the turn on the balancing machine. Fasten the wheel on the balancing machine. Measure the left side, then enter it on screen marked A. Measure then wheel diameter by adjusting the B button. Turn the wheel forward and then close the wheel. The screen will show the wheel balancing result. There are numbers on the screen. They must be adjusted to 0 by dating awake. Balance it. Remove the wheel from the balancing machine and then install it on the car. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's useful. See you guys.